Yes?
Daddy, can you pull me?
I want to see Christian pull you around like he was doing. Whoa! That looks like fun! Alright, stop. Alright, you pull him around. That looked like a lot of fun.
No, you pull me around.
Oh.
I will.
Alright, Trinity, can you pull your brother around? Oh. Ow. Christian, that wasn't nice. Alright, get in, Trinity. We'll pull you around, okay? Get in so she can pull you around. Get in, silly boy. Alright, Trinity, whip him around. Oh, he's a heavy one, isn't he? You're the only one going around.
Okay.
You guys both get on? You want me to do it?